Hi, I'm Nate, and I'm excited to talk to you today about a new material built for targeting weatherable applications just launched on the Origin One printer. The material WeatherX100 is similar to an ABS thermoplastic, and it really performs well for environments that need to withstand UV, chemical, or water-rich environments. The material is easy to print, has excellent surface finish right out of the printer, and of course, excellent material performance. Additionally, we tested the material against both SAE and ASTM test standards, where the results showed even better performance against other options in the DLP industry. The material is best suited for end-use or production applications that see intermittent exposure to harsh environments. Examples include industrial flow meters, electronic cable glands, filter housings, and washing machine components. But this is not the end. We're continuing to do more testing and provide more data to you so we can target more production environments, including automotive interior components. We are excited for you to use the all-new Somos WeatherX100 material. Yeah, it's waterproof. You're on.